Alright. You did it with Marse GreenBokkle and Marse Vun. We're going to talk about the Daaani.
Yeah, we're going to talk about Daaani. Daaani is one of those words that through the ages, through the history, you hear somebody, they call their children Daaani. But you see, that Daaani don't mean Daaani to us, you know. That Daaani is like, let me give you the context of it. When you say, yeah, the suit really fits you, Daaani. That's what we mean. We don't mean your name is Daaani, but it means it fits you, Daaani.
So Marse Vun, tell me now, what Daaani mean? If you were to translate it, what Daaani mean? Daaani.
Well, Daaani means you got doesn't it? And you got don't it?
Don't it? Don't.
But the other one was when I was a boy and I lived with my grandmother. She take Daaani onto another level. So one day my grandfather, time hot Saturday afternoon, and you just catch a pea soup and a wrestling in the background. You know, you don't know about Dickie Davis and those things there, you see. So sun hot, and my grandfather used to sit at the table, and on his knee he had a flannel. But that flannel is not to wash it up. It's for when sun hot and you eat soup with pepper. You build up such a sweat. So he go upstairs and my grandmother said to him, Walsey, his name was Walsey. Said Walsey, go upstairs and wash your face and come back at the table. You don't wash your face as you come back. And when your face stays up. So him sit at the table, and he's a man, he used to play horse. Okay, he used to go to betting shop and play horse. So he come back, and that afternoon, he never win a thing. So my grandmother now, to rub salt in the wound now, said, Walsey, your heart was to go down the betting shop on you. Now, if you watch this video, I didn't say Daaani. She said you had was to put the money on a horse. Waaani.
So Marse Vun, tell me something. You're trying to tell us that we have Daaani and Waaani.
That's right. You had Daaani, and then you have. But it's not a lot of people know about
the Waaani. Not a lot of
yeah,
no,
because
no.
you say want it.
True.
You don't say want it, you don't say want it. Because that sounds like you want it.
You want it.
But it's not wanted, so she break it down and she said, you had was to put down some money on a house,
Waaani.
So
and then again, me have my uncle Dougley.
Yeah.
Dougley hand big like a tree. But anyway.
That's a big tree.
We have my uncle Dougley.
Yeah.
And Dougley say Enneee.
Yeah, Enneee.
So we have Daaani, Waaani,
and Enneee. That's right. Enneee. So you have Enneee. You have Daaani. And then you have Waaani.
Waaani. Yes.
So there you have the tree, you know, and I know you could expand on that more, you know.
Yes, you could expand.
So that's where I get the introduction to Daaani and Waaani and Enneee.
Yes.
You know, so, but we're having a good time.
We're having a wonderful time.
You know, with Mr. IRD, him just killing me.
Yes.
And we're there on the street,
yes.
I'm here with a show,
yes.
and the show going on, he have me out here giving you a joke and so forth. But
yes.
listen, people, go good, and whatever happen, smile.
Daaani.